Hello and welcome. In this video, let's make the equation of a vertical line through 2 points. Suppose we are given 2 points, 2, 1 and 2, 3, and we are asked to make the equation of a line that passes through these 2 points. Right away we notice that the 2 points are different, but the first coordinates are exactly the same. So let's draw them and see what they look like. So the first point is 2, 1. Let's label them first. Suppose this is the first point, which means this is the x from the first point, this is the y coordinate from the first point, and this is our second point, meaning that this is the x from the second point, and this is the y from the second point. So let's plot them. The first point, 2, 1, is 2, 1 is right here. The second point is 2, 3 is right here. So these are the two dots. If we connect them, we will get the vertical line. So this is the line that we are asked to make the equation of. When we make the equation of a line, the first thing we look for is the slope. And to find the slope, we have this ratio. All the points are labeled. Let's substitute them in and see what comes out. y2 is 3. So right away, we can say that the formula will give us 3 minus y1 is 1 divided by the x2 is 2 minus, which came with the formula, and the x1 is also 2. So now on the top we have 3 minus 1, which is 2. On the bottom we have 0, and 2 divided by 0 is impossible. 0 with a line through it means does not exist. We can abbreviate does not exist with D and E. It also means undefined. Undefined. So the slope is impossible. Okay, well, what is the equation then that describes all of these points? The equation is x equals the x number of both of these coordinates. So our final answer is x equals 2. That's the equation of a line that runs through these 2 points. We notice that the y is not part of the equation because y could be anything. As long as the x is always 2, the height doesn't matter because we will land exactly on this vertical line. So that's why the y is not part of the equation. So the things to notice is when the first coordinates are the same, we will get vertical line. The slope will be undefined, and the equation is going to be x equals the x number, which is the same as the first coordinate of both of the points. Let's look at another example where we have a very similar situation. Here on page 2, we're asked to make an equation of a line through these 2 points. Again, we notice the points are different, but because the y coordinates are different, but the x coordinates are exactly the same, which means we are going to get a vertical line. We know that the slope is going to be undefined. We know that the equation is going to be x equals the x coordinate of the point. So this is the final answer to the equation of a line that goes through these 2 points. So the key points to remember is whenever the x's are the same, the x1 equals x2, we are getting vertical line. The slope of this line will be undefined, and the equation is going to be equal to x equals the number, and the number is the same as the x coordinate for both of our points. And this is it. This is the overview of the vertical lines. It's a special case of linear equations, and that's all there is to it. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know. If you have some of your own questions you would like to see discussed, also let me know. Thank you for your time. Look forward to hearing from you.